guys, this game Dragon Ball Evolution. I'm just this. I got this level before I started, so I was trying it again, and I found out crazy glitch, a crazy glitch. So as you can see, you just need to get your key down to. So that's why one way I think I'm flashing right now. So you as well, the magical flash. That can do that much. That is something really bad. So I just needed to get down to one, and then I have to show you the glitch. After you need to have a one or else. Yeah, and the only the only thing that I think for is 6 so I'm probably first say blue or anything like that, but yeah. I have to do it on Saturday, then you can't just come. Then you can't charge. Then you're stuck in it and you can't charge unless you want to take off the phone without taking it actually off. But yeah, let's go into Super Saiyan 3. As you can see here, boom. The hair doesn't show as your key. If I charge, as you can see, I'll just wait. Here, it doesn't go down. If I do it again, it goes. You can see right. I mean, you know, they go out and try again with Super Saiyan. Yeah, with status down to one. Now, that's what Super Saiyan. It goes down to minimum. See, if I charge, it it goes down. It goes down. As you can see. So don't charge if you're just doing it in Super Saiyan. Then just go out. And I don't know why. It may be because of maybe because I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I need to do it again. And we go to two. Now, sometimes it doesn't work. Transformation though. Cross our fingers. Yes. You see, we're on one. If we charm. Oh, our key does go down. And that's where you should use it was 6%. And yeah, that's why. And now I'm going to show you the use of it. Say three. Oh, that glitch also is there. It turns you bald. I will be bald. You're not the system here. Flash ready. I'm flash. Get up. Okay. Need to plan. Bye. And I'm just going to Reddit to show it off. You know, Reddit is kind of the easiest boss in the game. It's actually pretty easy to defeat it and it gives you a lot of XP. Gotta say. And I found out about this glitch. That was because I tried to farm without looking at my keys. I tried to go in the farm without looking at my stupid, stupid. Yeah, let's just get it down to like, yes, to 1 kilometer. What? No, come on. I need to. Wow. Ooh, is that no, zero. Okay. Uh, uh, Super Saiyan 3. Ball. I think that was 6. This is going to be 18. Yeah, that works. That works. Yeah, that should. Um, Flash. Hope I don't go bald this time. And I got oh, and that's why we can just interesting. But if you want to, you can just go out. Why don't you just give us. Super shit. I think it's what. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, no, did it work? Yeah, it worked. It worked. It worked. You see the seal outline? Yeah, yeah. We are in Super Saiyan 3. I mean, we are in Super Saiyan. You see that, George? You see that beautiful. Oh, it's so bright. I'm beautiful. That 90, 15. Yeah, it might be one for which is bugs. See, dead. Best of all, it doesn't take any key. That's the best of it. Now, dude, yeah, it's just so good. You can just fly around the Super Saiyan 3 without it unforming, and this glitch is kind of cool. So yeah, I think we're done with this video. Now see you guys next time. Bye.